Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Professor Hadiani and Dr. Vicky. My name is Nurhanis Hafifah binti Mat Helmi and my partner is Nur Syuhada binti Bujang will present a molecule which is camphor. Let's see the overview of the camphor. The scientific name of camphor is Cinnamomum camphora. Cinnamomum comes from Greek word which means spice. Camphora comes from Latin words which means camphor. This camphor tree is a native to tropical climates in Japan, Taiwan, and China. It can live over 100 years. This tree is a broad-leaf evergreen growing up to 15 to 30 meters. Each flower is slightly fragrant. And the main attractive of the camphor tree is the color of the bark is yellow or brown with vertical features. This is the structure and color of the bark, the flower, and the fruit. Next, let's get to know this camphor. As we can see, there is a 2D structure of camphor here, and it's a 3D structure of camphor so that we can see how each atom are bonded. Now, the molecular formula of camphor is C10H16 and 1 oxygen. The molecular weight is 152.23 gram per mole. The functional group of camphor is C-double-bond-O, which is carbonyl group, as we can see in this 2D structure. Since it is a carbonyl group, so it belongs to the organic compound, which is terpenoid ketone. The melting point is 175 to 177 degrees Celsius. Its density is 0.99 gram per centimeter cube. This camphor is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, ether, chloroform, and other organic solvents.
The importance of camphor. Okay, before we start, my name is Nur Syuhada binti Bujang from AS2534D. So, chemically, camphor is an organic compound which somewhat have musty aroma smell and used for many centuries as a component of incense and medicinal. So modern use, camphor has been used as a plasticizer and insect repellent, which is particularly for moths and reptiles such as snakes. This is due to the strong odor. Okay, next one is how camphor can be made. Okay, camphor used to be made by distilling the bark and wood of the camphor tree. Today, camphor is chemically manufactured from turpentine oil. It is used in products such as Vicks Vapor Rub, and the camphor can be rubbed on the skin or just by inhale. Okay, next one is synthesis of camphor. As we can see from the diagram, the synthesis of camphor is starting from pine-nenes and then produce alpha-pinene and then produce isobonyl acetate, and the last product is camphor. Okay, there are 5 important stages of conversion, which is starting from distillation and then isomerization, followed by esterification and then saponification, and lastly, of course, oxidation. In terms of biologically, the camphor have some health risks, which may be toxic to upper respiratory tract, our skin, eyes, and also central nervous system. The repeated or prolonged exposure to camphor can produce organ damage also. Okay. In conclusion, camphor is a multi-purpose molecule with most diverse range of application. We can see many products, plants, and especially essential oil contains camphor. The toxicity of camphor in human remain a cause for concern, of course, and also in addition, Camphor is also a useful molecule in chemical reaction because it used as catalyst and chiral starting material. So that's it. Thank you for listening.